Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Scholar Tech Studio. In this video, we will draw this model in SolidWorks. Here we will go to new and here we will select the part and then select OK. From here we can change the background color and then go to sketch and then we will select the front plane. Now we will draw the line from here to here 96 and from here to here is 64 because 34 plus 30. So we will select the line, we will draw the line and we will draw the vertical line. Okay, we will go to smart dimension and this one is 96 and this one is 64. Okay, and from here to here is 16 and this one is also 16. So we will go to offset. From here we will select the 16. Okay, and then we will select this line and the offset is created and then said okay. Now we will close this one from here to here and similarly we will close this one from here to here. Okay, now our sketch is fully defined and completed and completely closed. Now we will go to feature and here we will select the extruded boss. So the extrude is 64. So from here we can select the mid plane and from here we will select the 64 millimeter. Okay, now we need to cut this chamfer, so we'll select this face, go to sketch. Okay, and we will draw a line from here to here. Now we will specify the dimension. The distance from bottom to here is 34 and from the distance from top to here is 30 and horizontal is 20. So go to smart dimension. This distance is 20 and distance from here to this point is 30. Okay, now we need to close this sketch. We will select a line, select here and then go to here. Now you can see that our sketch is fully defined and fully closed. Then go to feature, then go to extrude cut. Now we need to cut this one, so we will select this face, then go to sketch. Okay, so we select a center line from here to here and we will give the dimension this center line as a 20 and here is a 16 millimeter. So we will select a circle from here, just draw the circle, go to dimension and we will give the dimension is 16, right? Then we will select the straight line, we will select this edge and horizontal line to here. Similarly we will select this edge and draw a horizontal line to here and then we will close this sketch from here to here, right? But we also need to remove this line, so we will go to trim. So here we will set the power trim, just click and drag. Similarly just click and drag. Now our sketch is fully defined and fully closed. Now just go to feature and then go to extruded cut. So our sketch is cut. Now we need to draw this triangle, so we will select this face, then go to sketch and we know that the distance from here to here is we have to compute this distance. So the total distance is 96. So 96 minus 16 minus 40, so 96 minus 56. So we will draw a, we will select the sketch and we will draw a straight line. Okay, and then click to this point and then to this point. Our sketch is closed. Now we will give the dimensions. So the distance from here to here is 96 minus 40 minus 16. So we'll select this one to this one is equal to 96 minus 16 and minus 40 and that okay, right. So this is 40 millimeter. No, sorry, the distance from here to here is this one. So we will select this one and we will select this edge to this edge, and this is 40. Okay, and the vertical distance is 28, so we just select this one, and this one is 28. This distance is 28 and extrude to 12. So we will select this one, then go to feature, then go to extrude. So here we will select the blind and we will change the direction from here. So and the value is 12. Okay, so we have created this one. Now we need to create this one. So we'll select this face, go to sketch, and from here we can see that there is a height of this one is equal to 28, equal to this one. So we will go to sketch, we will draw a horizontal line. Okay, and now we will select this line, we will select this line, and we will select this line, and then we can select convert entity. Right, now we need to create the small hole. So small circle is this one, so its diameter is 24. So this is 20 and this is 4. Okay, so now we just need to select this point to this point and combine this point to this point. Okay, now we need to trim the external parts, this one and this one. Now you can see that our sketch is fully defined and fully closed. Now we can extrude this one, but how much we need to extrude in this direction? So it's 64 minus 22. So we will go to feature, then extrude. So we need to extrude in another direction, so just select the other arrow, and this one is equal to 64 minus 22 and set okay. So our geometry is ready. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my